welcome back to the channel. I'm here with September's Illumicrate. Theme this month is high stakes, if I'm remembering that correctly. So I'm really excited about this, been waiting forever, and I'm really sorry about the crazy camera angle. If I didn't have it on this, you would be looking at my stomach. Alright, so let's just get into this. It is much lighter than the last couple of boxes, but we did have some great stuff in the last two boxes. So, alright, we're open. Alright, so first look, you're going to have the spoiler card, of course, and I was right, it is high stakes. There we go. And at the end of this, I will tell you what next month's theme is because they have announced it on Instagram already. So that is exciting. All right. I don't have my little necklace right here. Yes, I do. So we all remember the little necklace with the magnetic pins. The first one for this month is right on top. Oh, excuse me. Excuse me. And I... once again, don't know who this is, but I think it's Katniss from the Hunger Games, of course. Come on, let's focus. There we go. Because you can definitely see the Mockingjay symbol in the background, but yeah, so let's see if it tells us who it is in the spoiler card. Yes, it is Katniss Everdeen. That's really neat. I love it. It's going to go great with all the other ones that I don't wear anywhere. All right, we got some paper packaging. All right, I'm thinking another mug. What do we think? Is it a mug? It is a mug. It's a travel mug. Oh my gosh. Nice. Light blue top. Oh, it's glass. This is a good one. Oh, I love this. I don't know what this is from, so let me spin this around a couple more times and I will open it up and look. I love this. Glass travel mugs are the best. They're even just great for sitting around the house because obviously glass, taking it out is a little bit risky. Okay. Inspired by Children of Blood and Bone. I have not read it. It is on my to be read, so now I have to. And we'll get some tea to drink out of this. And we did get some tea, not in an Illumicrate though. Knocking stuff over everywhere here, guys. All right, we're gonna slide this back in here for safety, since I'm already knocking stuff over apparently. Goodbye. All right. Ooh, this is a scarf. Ooh, it is a scarf. Cute. It's kind of short. I don't know that I would wear it because I am a fan of long scarves. It says Waterford School of Magic. No, Watford. Watford School of Magic. Have no idea what that is. So let's look. Watford School of Magic's scarf. It doesn't say. I will definitely have to look that up. It says, show allegiance to Simon & Baz's alma mater with his cozy Watford School of Magic scarf. Carry on. Okay, definitely going to have to look that up. Don't know what that is, but I've definitely heard those names before on, you know, Bookstagram and Tumblr. So definitely want to give that a look. Got a lanyard. Love lanyards. You can never have too many. It's got a nice clip end. These are the best ones. And a little easy to pop off top. So this is from, or inspired by, The Mortal Coil, which, you know, the name of that makes sense. I've never read it, but it's obviously a DNA strand on here. Pretty neat. Every time I get an Illumicrate, all of these things just make my TBR that much longer. So many things. Okay, this is super cute. It's a notepad. It says the end is nigh. Got a cool little bat skeleton and some nice filigreed ends. And it is inspired by Good Omens, I'm assuming. Actually, yes, it does say that in the thing. So that's exciting. You can make all of your end of the world lists on here, waiting for the Antichrist to take over the world. skipping past the book to see if there's anything underneath that we need to be checking out. All right, so we've got a letter from the author, which is awesome. Oh, this is wood. This is so cute. It is a Black Cliff Academy wooden postcard. Don't know what this is. Pretty scary place for training, but makes for a gorgeous postcard. Am I right? Oh, from An Ember in the Ashes. Ooh, that is awesome. That is going to look so neat up on the wall. Look at that detail. Oh my goodness. I love it so much. So exciting. We got some really neat stuff this time. And now all that's left is the book. This is a really short unboxing video. There's not that much, but what is in here is really neat. So we've got this really neat reveal bag. You know, I wonder if they would want any of these back because I have so many and nothing to do with them. Have you guys been getting them? What are you doing with them? I don't know what to do with them. All right. All right. Should I go front? I'm going to reveal the front to you guys, not the back. All right. So this book is by Rena Barron. It is called Kingdom of Souls. Ooh, The Last Witch Doctor. Love this cover. Oh, it's so shiny. Can you see it? Oh, and the arc here is shiny too. Oh, I love it. Got shiny edges. The back is not shiny, but it has that same kind of art. We've got painted edge with the little snake. Are we autographed? It is autographed. Love it. Oh my gosh, I don't know what this is about. Demons, there's magic. This is so fun. And it looks like it's set in the Middle East. So really excited about that. So good. So hopefully I will see you guys on the Illumicrate readathon. And if you have any questions about Illumicrate or their subscription, I'm more than happy to answer. Just leave a comment below and make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks.